What's up, my friends? Please, before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up Slapt-src on Slackware. For those who are using the derivative of Slackware, which is Salix OS, they don't need to install Slapt-src since it's the package that manages Slack builds on Salix OS. I'm gonna try to install it in case any of you needed it. He can see this video to be able to install it. So I'm gonna use the Slack build or probably SBO PKG or SBO package. I'm gonna search for Slapt-src. There is also here it is. On GitHub there is this page. Also there is a way for building it using Meson, if I'm not mistaken. And there is here on on SBO package or SBO PKG. I guess I will simply go with the traditional Slack build method, since some of you may not have SBO package. So let's exit out of this. I will put the video of SBO package in the cards. So let's download the Slack build. Right, and then let's enter it. Slapt-src, and then move to the directory. Then let's download the source. Alright, it's not a very big package. Chmod +x slapt-src.slackbuild. Yes, and then we can run our slackbuild script. It's using Meson, as you can see. So those commands that you see here are run through the Slack build script. Slack build in general is a script. So let's run install package or PKG. I always say Slack PKG and so on, but it's actually Slack package. I just read it the way it is. So pardon me for that. Let's do this. Here we have our binary package ready and done. Alright, so the thing that I wanted to do when installing Slapt-src, we have it already installed. We can try to use it. Slapt-src. The syntax is very similar to slapt-get. I will put the video in the cards if you want. And slapt-get is the default package manager for Salix OS, which is based on one of the flavors or the distributions that are based on Slackware. The difference between slapt-get and Slack package or Slack PKG is that slapt-get includes dependency resolution. If you are familiar with other distributions and you try to use Slackware, you will know what is dependency resolution. Otherwise, if you kept using other distributions and you just watched this video due to curiosity or you are interested to know about it, on Slackware, the good thing for some people, and for some people it's a bad thing, the dependency resolution is not automatic. You need to do it yourself. So slapt-get does the dependency resolution as well as SBO package. SBO package can be installed manually, as well as slapt-get manually also on Slackware. We don't have it. So for me, I want to install a package which is Nix. For the Nix package manager, it exists as a Slack build. For Slackware, I failed to install it with any method. Probably the only method that can work is using Docker. I made the video about it. I'll put it in the cards. Everything I have told about, I wish I can remember them one by one so I can put them all in the cards. Here I can look for Nix. Yes, the Nix package manager, the famous one for the distribution NixOS. It didn't work for me using this method or the traditional method as a Slack build. It didn't work also when I used the SBO package. There were some problems with the compiling or compilation. Yes, here let's press Y, enter. I tried to do it on Salix. It didn't work. The error was different with the one that I used to see. And here we will see if it can work or not. Otherwise, if you wanted to install Nix package manager on Slackware, you better think of using, or you better resort to using the Docker method. Okay, let's let it compile and come back either once it's ready or once it's not. The Nix package manager is, and its compilation process sounds promising because I have never reached this level or this progress ever before. So I'm glad to see it reaching this. I hope it works, and let's see. Probably it's taken longer time because my computer is not with that high performance. Otherwise, if your computer is new, you try to install Nix and you are enthusiastic about Slackware, it will probably work for you. I don't mean it will probably work for you, we still don't know. I mean it will be faster. Alright, we have probably Nix package manager installed on the system. I thought it won't install and I will fail again with it, and I will say to you, look, it's not working, I tried it many times, maybe you should try yourself, but it's working as you can see. And I only need, let's check if it is already there. Yeah, it's there. XENV. It's promising, as you can see. All is remaining is to configure the services as well as the other stuff. It's in the Slack builds page for it. It contains some of the stuff that needs to be done as well as the dependencies and so on. I guess the errors that I was facing was about some of the dependencies problem. For you, as long as it worked when using the Slapt-src package, which can be used for managing the Slack builds, you better do it that way. It worked, as you can see, it's successfully installed. I will not hesitate to finish the video and then upload it since it's working correctly. I will delay the configuration for another video. Thank you for watching. I'm glad it worked this way, and see you in another video.